Precast concrete elements, having accurate and reliable detailing is essential, and that's exactly what our team delivers. We specialize in comprehensive precast panel detailing services, including panel layout drawings, embed and connection detailing, reinforcement plans, lifting and rigging details, and fully coordinated production drawings designed for seamless fabrication and installation. With advanced modeling technology and a deep understanding of global construction standards, we help contractors, fabricators, and engineers avoid errors, minimize downtime, and accelerate project timelines. Whether you're working on a large commercial complex, an industrial facility, or a residential development, our team provides detail-rich, code-compliant deliverables that keep your project moving efficiently. Discover how our precision-driven approach can support your next build by visiting www.steelconstructiondetailing.com and get delivered accuracy, efficiency, and confidence in every precast element. Thank you for watching and choosing quality with Steel Construction Detailing.